Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the AMPlayer on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So we're going to use the Chromecast app. I have a video showing you how to download and install the app already. Now if you have the app installed, just head over to the Chromecast application. So there I'm tripping. Head over to the AMPlayer application, pardon me. So you open the AMPlayer application on Chromecast, launch the AMPlayer application, and then the first thing you need to do is to allow AMPlayer to access music, audio on the device. So it's going to have access to your files. Click on allow. Next, you're going to allow it to access photos and videos. Allow. That gives it the ability to bring up media like this. So it has just brought up this media from my device. The AMPlayer is very good because it is a very Chromecast friendly interface. So for TVs and things like this, enjoying content should not be stressful. The interface should not be difficult to navigate. And that's what the AMPlayer brings, simplicity. So all you have here is all the videos. The pop-up down here, you just choose what you want to enjoy and log on that content. Just click on it to play and begin to play. Also, you go to the top right bar where you could add a network stream. So this is where you put in your stream link. Just click on that, put in the stream link. So maybe type https :/www.this and this, and put in the stream link right here. If you just click on it once, you have the keyboard so you can type. When you finish typing, click on OK right there, and bam, you're good to go. So if you want to check on download, just click here, and that brings you to your download file folder on Chromecast. So explore what you need, maybe downloader or anything you have in this particular folder. If you know you downloaded the video and you want to watch it right now, you cannot find it on the video list, that's what you do. You go to your file manager. It's going to use file manager to open downloader folder. So if that's insightful, if you've known how to use the AMPlayer app, I appreciate if you subscribe to the channel if you have not already, so I continue sharing these valuable tips and insights.